In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add new product to Godaddy website store. To begin, log into your Godaddy account and go to the My Products page. This is the main area where you can access the services connected to your account. Once you are there, scroll down until you find the Websites plus Marketing section. In that section, locate your online store and click Manage next to it. This will open the website dashboard where you can make changes to your store content and settings. After the dashboard loads, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You will see the Commerce or Store menu. Expand that menu if it is not already open, then click Products. This section is where all of the items in your online store are listed and managed. If you are adding something new, this is the correct place to do it. Next, click the Add button or Add Product, depending on the version of the dashboard you see. This will open the Product Setup page. Here, start by entering the product title. Make sure the title is clear and descriptive so customers can quickly understand what the item is. Then enter the price. Be careful to use the correct amount since this is what shoppers will see in your store. After that, click Add Image to upload photos of the product from your computer. Good product images can make a big difference, so choose photos that are clear, well-lit, and show the item accurately. If your product has multiple angles or important details, upload images that help customers get a better view. You can also complete some optional fields if they apply to your product. Add a description to give shoppers more information about what you are selling. This is a good place to explain features, size, materials, or anything else that helps the customer make a decision. You may also enter an SQ if you use one for internal tracking. If you want to keep track of stock levels, fill in the inventory tracking details as well. These optional settings can help keep your store organized and easier to manage over time. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your new product will then be added to your Godaddy website store and should appear in your product list. That covers everything you need to know.